Hey y'all, welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today we're going to whip up some delicious lobster and shrimp curry. So for our ingredients, we have some heavy cream chicken broth, a couple bell peppers, an onion. We also have some fresh shrimp and 2 lobster tails, about 6 ounces, some parsley, lemon, curry powders, of course my green seasoning. I will have all my ingredients listed down below. So first I'm going to start by chopping up my bell peppers. I'm slicing them into long semi-thick slices. So I'm going to do that to all my peppers. Then once I'm done cutting up all my peppers, I will take a bowl and put that to the side. Now I'm going to go ahead and slice my onion. Put that to the side. Now for my lobsters, I'm just going on the inside of the lobster tail and I'm cutting it open, then cracking the top of the shell and just taking the lobster meat from the shell, and simple as that. So once I finish cutting the bottom of the lobster and removing the meat from the shell, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lobster in cube-like shapes. You want it to be kind of thick. Taking my shrimp and peeling that shell off the shrimp. This recipe is so easy and fun. I love it. It's so flavorful, y'all. And when I tell you, it's very quick. It only took me about 15 minutes to prep and cook this recipe. So I'm adding some green seasoning to my shrimp. We're going to let that marinate 2 minutes covered. In a preheated wok, I'm adding some oil. Let the oil get hot. Once the oil is hot, add in your bell peppers and onion. We're going to saute these bell peppers and onion until they're slightly soft. You still want a little bite to it. I just want to caramelize these onions and peppers and get some color on it, and that will help gain a little bit more flavor. So go ahead and saute these bell peppers and onions for a good 3 minutes while stirring occasionally. Look at that. They soften up. Oh my gosh. So now I'm just adding some of my green seasoning mix. This just has herbs, fresh bell peppers and onions and garlic and ginger. I will have that recipe listed down below for the link for that. So I'm just going to mix that in. You want that green seasoning to cook into the bell peppers and onions about 2 minutes. I would say 1.5 to 2 minutes. After that, go ahead and add in your shrimp, and we're going to saute these slightly. Adding your shrimp and your lobster, mix that up. You want to get all those flavors from those curries, the green seasoning and all that. You want to mix that in very well. Make sure you like and comment on your favorite part. And if you try this recipe, make sure you tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my heavy cream after I mixed everything in really good. And we're going to let our heavy cream warm up and add in some chicken broth, mix that up. Now my heat is on a medium heat. I'm going to let this come to a slight boil. Once it starts boiling, bring it down to a low to simmer heat. We're going to keep it covered and let that simmer for about 5 minutes until all my seafood is cooked. Now I'm adding in just a little bit more curry for more color, and as well as all-purpose seasoning. Any all-purpose seasoning is fine. So juicy, so good, quick and easy, y'all.